senses. Even animals have senses. They can see, they can hear, they can taste, they can smell, and they can feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses, right? How did the ant recognize a friend, right? An ant was going along on the ground. An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side, right? The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. How do you know that? The ant. How does the ant know that that ant was from their group? How did the guard ant recognize this ant? How do they know each other? How do they know that each one is from their group? So, many years ago, scientists did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. They leave a smell, right? They leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find a way. I think you have seen it. The ants going in one straight line, joining each other, following each other, right? Even if we block them, even if we block their path by a pencil, they don't go back, they just follow again. Why? What happened? Why is it? Because they leave a smell on the ground. That is why. They know the smell of their groups, right? They know the smell of their groups, so they follow the smell and follow their friends again. Even some male insects, do you know what is the meaning of male? Mipa, apa, tina. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. Apa in ranung hi, apa in anu asya chan na chu arim atangin ashatei. Ani. Have you ever been troubled by a mosquito? Yes, we all, right? Mosquito find us by the smell of our body, right? By the smell of our body. They also find us by the smell of the sole of our feet. Kan kerim atang tepun minsyan itu mo. And the heat of our body. Kan taksahi aluma, our body is from the heat of our body, the mosquitoes find us easily, right? Thau si in engtinge kanbula ran nungpon oma ran tepon oma engtinge machine kamyon shathe. Oh, they can find us by the smell of our body. Kan rimatangin, the smell of the sole of our feet. Kan ke rimatang ten. Oh, and the heat of our body. Kan tak salum na atangin, they can find us, right? Have you ever seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is they are trying to smell? Dogs mark their own area on the road, right? They used to mark their area on the road. They can make out if any other dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. We hian an kalnachin hi an shem ema an zunin an chinchi an kalnachin ka an chinchi they can make out if any other dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Engene an we dang kha an khalai an area khan engtin nge an local ti an shia the an ekatang te an zun atang te khanin we dang kha khalai muna khan an local ani ti kha an she thei ani chu mo a rim atangin ani chu mo rim we are talking about the sense, right? So even the dog knows that can know that if any other dog came to their area from their urine or their potty an zun le ekatangin Swan, do you know any birds which has eyes in front of its head like in humans? Mishing angaran sa sava mishing angamit malamanain siya all chimbuk hi ani. Chuan sava hi chuan they have on the sides the birds used to have the birds has eyes on the other side of the head, on either side of the head. An mit an lu asile lam le lama mit an neya. They can see, their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. Voi khata mun chang ka an en kwal the ani chmo. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the object and malaman en chuan thil pakhat. They look straight ahead. When they look straight ahead, their eyes focus on the same object. Thil pakhat an entina. Ani lo chuan he lampanga thil thleng an hmu the, he lampanga thil thleng ka an hmu the. Both sides you can see more. Chuan, you must have seen the birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? Some birds, in most of the birds, eyes are fixed. Eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Okay. Engwangin yes savate hi han enta ula. If you look at the birds perching on a tree, king an fu khian an hle lo an lu hi an the an hoi ton zig hian hoi ton zig mai chin ani mo an hoi ton zig ka enge chan kan ti chuan an mit hi an mit mu hi a in fix awangin. They cannot see many things when they keep their head only in one place, so they have to move here and there. They have to turn their head often, right? If you close your eyes, if you close one of your eyes like this and like this, the viewing area, the area you can see is very less. When you close your eyes, you can see a less area. With these eyes, you can see less area, right? If you open both eyes, you can see more area, right? So when we close one eye, we can see less area. When we open both eyes, we can see more area, right? Even like that, when a bird focuses both eyes on an object, it can estimate the distance. Sava ina athil hu kha tia athil hu kha a enringot hian engtia la a aumnge ti kha a shetheyani. It can estimate the distance. When its eyes focus on two different things, a pahni a amit pahni kha a man tangkai chuan a area a mu theina kha lo zau zok ta ni chuan chutia angcha chuan ke ni pon hetia kan mit kan huwa kan hupa kem te kan hu hian kan hu theya pahnia kan en chuan zau zo kha kan mu te ni khatia angcha khan sawa po khan an mit pani kha an mang tangkai ani chumo chuan sawa te hi and since they have a very strong sense of smell, strong sense of sight. More and who they na they attack their sight, their sense is very strong. All the sense are very strong. Like kites, eagles, vultures, mupui kan ti ang chi ho hang te hianin. Kan mu they lately they can see 4 times as far as we can. Mo kan mu they lately and tianan fit nga achin fit so machin mu they la kites te eagles engani vultures mulukol kan ti te mupui mute kan ti te ho hi chuan tlat kan mu te fit som lo ni ta se an ni chuan fit som li an mu the mo an mit mu the na ka achak mai ni chu chuan some animals cannot see as many colors as we can. We can differentiate many colors, right? Color shang kan chathaya kan huthaya ma say animals cannot see as many colors as we can. Mo ran sa chuanin kan hut thei ang hian an hu ve thei lo ani. Ransa, those who are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Ransa chuna zong chin ang ho chi ka, they can see some colors. But those that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors, right? Ransa te hian color and hu thayem. Do animals see colors? Yes, animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors, but those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white, right? To color ran sa chuan mishing angin color an hu vak thei lo chuna chazong ho chuanin tlem an hu thei zana chazong chi phei chuan black and white chain an hu thei ani chu okay. Some animals has big ears. Some animal has big ears, and some animals has very small ears, and some has even that we won't be able to see with our own eyes, with our bare eyes, their ears. All right. Chen kaju ransa am bing lian tak nen oma. Chen kaju bing te tak te ne te oma. Chen kaju bing an ne lo wan yang kan pi tur khop. An chin. For example, animals snakes yan an bing angong an tichina bingong si khan hemi vai antina vai na basket up rule ada a flute ka ahama chuan basket tingin the snakes come out from the basket when the owner played the flute, right? Why? We say that animals cannot hear because of the vibration of the sound. A flute, aham khan, lay, chuat ka ground ka ahora, chuan kaming hora khan, rule ka, aron vag chuak chinta ni chu. Chuan, bing risha na kanelo ma sila, a vibration leya, ron more de kanin ni zuan kan chapag we cannot feel the vibration, but snakes can feel it. So we thought that they heard the sound of the flute, but they don't. They feel the vibration of the flute only, so they come out from the basket. So even some animals and sense of hearing atadzia too. When even some animals start behaving in yes.
Miss, excuse me. What is the subject?
EVS.
Miss, we tried to buy the EVS book, but it's sold out.
Oh, that's okay. You can listen. You just listen.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Off your mic. All right. Anyway, that's okay. Even if you don't have the book, I'm just explaining. You just listen. They start when some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Mana, oh, animal chen ka thi chuan li rang hin don te thi puyat le don te hianin an shelok thin an ti mizo tonga mizowa po mizo thon thua te pon ti en tinge 2017 na mi a li rang hin vak po khan April tha li rang hin vak po khan wi te kha an bo ani in la sha in shipa kem o ka she chia lo wi te kha an bo chuan chuan mo lir hing na sat takin Mizoram khan lir hing na de win lir hing khatia angkha some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Even people who live in forests can observe such behavior of animals, come to know of the danger. Animals from moya te po hianin tla alo don chuan an shachin an tiani hey kei mani ina po ui te po an ti china la alo thlen don chuan la alo thlen don chuan an dan adang lama an bau vak vak zel te ui te an bau vak vaka arte an rang vak vak chin an tiani chuan dolphins po hianin lau chuan they make different sounds to give messages to each other. Even scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. When the danger is near from very far from them, even one dolphin heard that some danger is near. He used to send messages to its friends who are on the other side of the water, right? Chiat na chi shang kan nei chewa mishing pon kan ne chu tian chia chon ran sa pon an ne ya ran sa pon an ne mit amu theina mit mu theina chiang tak sight strong sense of sight an ne ya strong sense of hearing an ne buka strong sense of smell te po an ne and feeling a very strong sense of feeling te po mo an ne ni chung awang te chuan hlau lo theng tur te an che theya rule te po in what's that Joseph of your mic rule te po in thil lo theng abula khan enge theng an che theya sava po in van sang takatangin leya ran nung te takte ase tu te po kha amu the engwange amit kha achak lutuk ani mo chuan anmit chakna mang khan hlat taka an eitur om te po kha an mu the ni fang mir angin an rim shia na po atha ema an rim shia na po khat achak ema kan mu the lo kan sha ve the lo kha atang khan an eitur te an zong the ni tin ran sa ram hoi om te pon apa in anu le apa an om dun kher lawa apa in anu om na asya the na chan chu rim atang in ani super senses not only sense super ani chu super ani chuan kan chia the na pa ngai bak ai chak excellent quality mo thalutuk sense thalutuk ane tinani that's all for now today. If you have any question, please you can on your mic and ask me any questions. Do you understand what I have explained? Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Miss, did we have homework?
No, I'm not gonna give you homework. Oh, one thing, don't use did. Try to avoid using did, did, all right? Did to past tense. Did man lo katumang lu Sabtong gan Joseph did kamang I'm not gonna give you homework.
Miss, can you tell me?
Yes, for today it is finished now. If you have any questions, ask me. Even those who do not have the textbook,
Thank you, Miss.
don't feel bad.
Thank you, Miss.
Don't feel bad.
Thank you, Miss.
You can
Miss.
listen to my explanation. All right. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
Miss.
See you next
Miss,
time.
thank you, Miss.
So many
Miss.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye. Bye.
खत्म होती क्लास
Bye.
Now all leave the group, alright? All of us leave the group, right? You can all leave the group, alright? Bye bye.
Bye.
Didi, bye bye.
Ya, ini. Tak lagi. Thank you, Miss. What? Okay. Apa Cilo? Apa Cilo kau di don? Mau Cilo. Ôi, kau tinggal. Ôi, Cilo.